Getting your Claude account suspended out of nowhere? Most people only think of bad prompts and bad IPs, but it's much more than that. Claude will delve into your browser to check everything from fingerprints and fonts to all sorts of information. Claude monitors your IP and builds a complete digital profile of your device by tracking everything from your device type, operating system, version, and screen resolution to hardware-level canvas, WebGL rendering, and even which fonts you have installed or how your browser displays pages. When you log into multiple accounts on the same browser, you share these exact hardware fingerprints and hidden caches, instantly linking your accounts and causing mass suspensions. And the golden rule of bypassing Claude's risk control is simple. One account, one independent environment, one dedicated IP. If you share even a single browser cache or duplicate a hardware fingerprint, Claude's system will flag you instantly, no matter how clean your chat history is. So what should you do if your Claude account gets banned? To begin, temporarily pause your login attempts. Give your browser a clean slate by clearing your saved cookies and history, or try signing in from another standard device. Second, change your network IP to a clean, stable connection, since your old IP might already be flagged. Third, set up a proper barrier before creating or logging into a new account.
To prevent future bans or separate your accounts, like keeping your work account completely distinct from your personal one, you need to change how you browse. Try to protect your accounts with using secure account management tool like Anti-Detect Browser. Unlike standard browsers that share your hardware data across tabs, an anti-detection tool like MoreLogin acts as a virtual sandbox. It allows you to create separate profiles where every single parameter, from canvas rendering and WebGL to local cache and system fonts, is completely randomized and isolated. Each account runs in its own digital bubble, so websites see them as entirely different devices, breaking the link and stopping mass suspensions for good. Mastering environment isolation is the key to running multiple AI accounts safely and long-term. If you want to protect your profiles from unexpected bans, start trying your independent browser environments today. Got questions about account management? Drop them in the comments below.